Hi everybody, good evening. Funny times for all of us. I mean, if you really look at it, some of our parents lived through partition. Their parents lived through what was the independence struggle. And I think we are living through coronavirus, quarantined at home. So I thought, why not do a book review? So just before I start off, I thought we did two book reviews, and if you guys remember, I hope somebody of you is buying and reading them. We did this book, which is The Camel Merchant of Philadelphia, which was stories from Raja Ranjit Singh's court, and then after that we did William Dalrymple's White Mughals, which was that fascinating story of the Mughal princess who married uh, William Kirkpatrick. So just wanted to remind you today. What I thought is that I'll do a book review, but incidentally, I'm doing two books, and both the books are so similar yet they are so different. And both the books are interesting books. I'll tell you the name of the books. The first book is called Yuganta, and this book is written by Iravati Karve. This she analyzes all the characters of the Mahabharata, and the second book is by Gurcharan Das, which is called The Difficulty of Being Good. This also analyzes all the characters of the Mahabharata. But how are they different? What is difference between both the books? Let's look at that. But before going into all those details, first let's look at Yuganta. Iravati Karve, very interesting personality. Born in 1905 in Burma. Her father used to work in the wood estates there, in the wood industry. And when she was born, he named her after the Irrawaddy River, which flows through Burma, and that's how he named her Iravati. Iravati Karve came to Pune when she was 7 years old, studied in Pune's Ferguson College, and she married Mr. Karve in Pune, and surprisingly, her husband was, a kind of a very liberal guy at that time. In 1926, he allowed her to go to Berlin to pursue her PhD, and she came back with a PhD in anthropology. So she's supposed to be the first woman anthropologist of India. And anthropology, like most of us know, is study of human times, human behaviors. So I think one of the books she wrote is Yuganta, which analyzes all the characters of the Mahabharata. Now, she taught in Ferguson College for many, many years, and I don't know whether some of you who are our generation could have even studied with her. So, if you see the contents, each chapter is on one of the lives. So, Draupadi, Duryodhan, Kunti, Karna, Krishna, but she analyzes them from as an anthropologist. So she talks about the life at that time, the things which happened in their lives, why they were correct, why they were wrong. She analyzes each character, but she analyzes them from an anthropologist's viewpoint. So this book, I'm not very sure about the exact time when it was written, but I mean, you can imagine it must have been written in the 1950s or 1960s. Many, many, many years later, 2002, Gurcharan Das. Many of us have read some of his books. We've also been reading him in the articles that he writes in the Times of India, right? He used to. In 2002, he took what he called at that time an academic holiday. Incidentally, Gurcharan Das also is a graduate from Harvard. But in 2002, when he was the chairman of CEO of Procter and Gamble in India, and he got very, very curious about the Mahabharata. And I don't know what the status today is, whether we teach Mahabharata today in India in any of the universities. But in 2002, nowhere in India was the Mahabharata taught in Sanskrit, but it was taught in the University of Chicago. So he went a couple of years to Chicago, studied the Mahabharata there, came back, and then he wrote this beautiful book called The Difficulty of Being Good. Now, this book, if you look at the contents, is so similar to what Iravati Karve wrote so many years back. So the chapters are like Draupadi's courage, Yudhishthira's duty, Arjuna's despair, things like this, right? But when you read this book, so he's again analyzed each character from the Mahabharata, but he's analyzed more from the dharma perspective, the perspective of what is right, how is it so difficult to be good. So he's kind of analyzed it more from the dharma perspective or the karam perspective of the characters. So these are the two books. Please try to read them. That's today's review. Yuganta and Difficulty of Being Good. Thanks.